This is me prepping my ribs. Well, putting them, they're about done. I'm just gonna put one more layer of my sauce. I made this sauce from scratch. So yeah, basically transfer them from this pan, that's what I cooked them in, to here. So I'm just going to, it's my special sauce. I'm gonna layer it. Last layer here. Just gonna put some on it. This is my sauce I did from scratch. My own barbecue sauce, because that, no shade, but that packaged barbecue sauce in the bottle and stuff, I'm over it. Once you start cooking everything from your hand, you know what it is, what's in it, what it tastes like. But yep, I'm gonna put those back in the oven for maybe 1 minute, if even. That's it.